Hello everyone, welcome back to my vlog. I am Richie Miskita for people who don't know me. So today I am going back on board. So as you all know, I work on a cruise ship. So it's time for me to end my vacation. So I'm at the airport right now. My friends and my family is here to send me off. So meet my friends here, Mithili, Alec, my mom, my sister, Adil as usual, my auntie. So I'll keep you updated. I'm going to Amsterdam and will be connected to Helsinki. I'll be joining from Finland on Legend of the Seas. So actually I forgot to get my jacket with me. So I told one of my friends as I stay nearby to the airport. It's like 5-10 minutes distance for me from the airport. So my friend is coming getting my jacket. He bought the jacket. Thank you so much. He had to rush to the airport. I'm waiting in the queue to check in my luggage. So the queue is very slow right now. It's not much crowded because I think most of the people already checked in and they have gone already. So I'm late. So let's hope it's still 2 hours to go. It's 11:44 right now. My flight is at 2. So let's hope for the best that I reach at the boarding gate on time. So guys, my bags are already checked in. So the next is security, where I will not have access to do videography. And the next one would be after the security is the immigration. Again, I will not be having the access to do videography there too. So I'll see you directly at the boarding point. The immigration line is not as busy as it is usually. So this is all of our favorite zone, that is the duty free. Done with the immigration. We'll have a look in the duty free. Eventually, won't be purchasing something as we are not allowed to take much things on board. So guys, guess what? I went to the duty free shop and I thought I would not purchase something, but look at this. I got some miniatures. I'm gonna try to open. I cannot open this in the flight, but I'm gonna try to open it and have it in the flight. So because it's a long flight of 9 hours, so maybe I can finish it in by 1. So I got 8, so I can take one every hour. So let's see. I have to go to gate number 75, so just on the way. Okay, so during the immigration, I had an issue where the custom officer was very rude to me. He asked me for all my documents, and I presented to him, and then he's telling me that you don't need to show all the documents. You just need to show what is required. So I asked him very gently that what is the document required, and he said me that. Are you traveling for the first time? And I was like, no, I'm traveling for fifth time. And then he's telling, until now you don't know, which was very rude. So I asked him very politely, sir, what are the documents required? And then he's telling, are you joking? Do you still don't know what you need to give? And then I just represented him all the documents what I had in my hand. So really very rude thing I would say, but the other guy beside him was very nice, and then he calmed him down that you cannot be talking to someone like that. I am done with the boarding now. I'm going towards the flight. I am walking towards the flight right now. Once I'm inside the flight, I won't be recording much as I'm very tired and I'll sleep. So we just landed in Amsterdam. Stepped out of the plane, now going towards the next flight. This airport looks like an hub for KLM Airlines. Alright, so guys, I just cleared with the security thing again. You are not allowed to carry liquids with you when you're at the transit in Amsterdam, but I got so lucky that my miniatures were not caught. So yeah, happy for that. and now I have a halt for like another half an hour, so I'll walk to my boarding gate and continue editing my vlog in the meantime. Airport is busy right now, so however I don't need to be worried about it because I have a connecting flight from here, so I'm done with the security, so just waiting to board the flight now. As it's my first time in Amsterdam on the airport, so I had to undergo an immigration for the Schengen visa. They checked my Schengen visa and they asked me certain questions. Now I'm done with that and now heading towards the boarding gate finally. I wasn't aware I had to do this, but yeah, so I still have like 15 more minutes to go. I need to rush to the boarding point. It's 9:10 right now. The boarding gate closes at 9:30. I still have 20 minutes to reach to the boarding gate. It's 5 minutes far from here, I guess so, because I can see the gates from here. I need to go to C16. I'm at A3 right now, so I need to walk a little bit more. I'm almost there now. So it's time to board the next flight. Alright, so I've reached the Helsinki airport right now. That is my final destination. From here, there will be someone coming to pick me up to take me towards the ship. So now I need to go and collect my luggage and then step out of the airport. So yeah, finally here I am. Now I'm going to collect my luggage. So I don't think so I would have to undergo an immigration again as I already did it in Amsterdam. I can see my bags coming now. Yeah. That's the 2 bags coming for me. So I am going to end my vlog over here as I'll make another vlog after this that is going towards the ship as I did it last time. So I reached the airport and this should be the end of my vlog. I've got my baggage, everything right now. So just a time where I need to go and find the agent from a company. So I'll go further and I'll see you in the next vlog, and thank you for watching my video until the end. Ciao ciao for now.